Hey everybody, welcome to this video introducing you to Saracosa Library's online reference shelf. We're going to really spend some time going into this Gale Virtual Reference Library, which is a collection of our subject encyclopedias. Our lecture this week outlined some reference resources. We also talked about Wikipedia and why that's kind of a challenging resource to rely on because of the question of authority and who wrote the articles. So when your instructors ask you to refrain from using Wikipedia, that's why. And this is a good place to go to get background information on a topic instead from these scholarly resources that have been selected by librarians. This is Saracosa's page. Again, here's the online reference shelf, followed by the databases, which we're going to be exploring in future weeks. Britannica Online is a collection of, it's all it is Britannica, Encyclopedia Britannica. And it's a general encyclopedia. It's going to have articles on a variety of topics, but for more subject-specific coverage, you're going to want to use the Gale Virtual Reference Library. The Oxford English Dictionary is widely regarded as the accepted authority on the English language, so we have a subscription to that for looking up definitions of terms. But let's jump right into the Gale Virtual Reference Library. This is what it looks like when you open it up. There we go. And let's see here. I'm going to make this, see if I can move this up a little bit. There we go. So as you can see, it defaults to a basic search here. When you're searching in the search box up here, you are performing a search across all encyclopedias in this collection. As you can see, we've got subject encyclopedias about the arts and humanity, music and American life, business encyclopedias, education encyclopedias, the environmental encyclopedia, the global warming and climate change encyclopedia, history, law, literature, amazing collection of medicine. When you see the arrow over here, that means you can advance through even more titles. Religion, science, social sciences, technology. We're always trying to build up this collection so we have even coverage across all academic subject areas. But for your assignment this week, you're going to do a search for a very broad topic. So if your topic is media violence and video gaming and how it has a negative impact on youth behaviors, you're going to want to pull out the main keywords there. So maybe we'll do media violence and see what happens there. This is a smart search box, so it's going to populate with a lot of search terms that have already been used in the database. There is media violence right there. I'm going to just click return. I'll give feedback later. We have violence and aggression from the Encyclopedia of Gender and Media, death and violence in American music, violence in the human disease and conditions, violence in the Encyclopedia of Science, Technology, and Ethics. And it just kind of goes down. We're going to look at this violence and aggression from the Encyclopedia of Gender and Media. So I'm going to click on that, open it up, and let's take a look at one of these articles. Again, it reminds me of Wikipedia. It's giving a nice overview and background information on this broad topic of violence and aggression. Some of these terms are hyperlinked. If I click on cultivation theory, then it's going to take me to an article on cultivation theory. Scroll down, there's images in here, theoretical models that are talking about media violence, frameworks. So this is a very scholarly encyclopedia article. It's giving you some other places to look. Desensitization effect. Maybe that would go like, oh wow, I think I might want to focus on that. An encyclopedia article is going to give you a list of a bibliography, a list of sources used in the article. I'm running out of time. I wanted to keep this at under 5 minutes. I wanted to point you to this toolbar. You can email yourself the full article. And then you can click Citation Tools here to generate the MLA or the APA citation. I will point out one thing. The APA citation is usually incorrect in the databases. You're going to only capitalize the first word of the title. You use sentence style capitalization for titles of books and articles. This is considered an article. So I would not capitalize the A in aggression. We're going to go over that more as the class progresses. And that's basically what I wanted to show you in the Gale Virtual Reference Library.